Welcome to today's daily message. Today we celebrate the feast of Saint Cecilia. Saint Cecilia was one of the early Christian martyrs, and unfortunately, almost everything we know about her is the stuff of legend. But according to that legend, Cecilia was a young Christian woman of a very high rank, and she was betrothed to a Roman gentleman named Valerian. And because of Cecilia, Valerian was converted. But then, because he became a Christian, he was martyred, he and his brother both. The legend about Cecilia's death says that she was struck 3 times on the neck with a sword, but that she lived for 3 days. And during those 3 days, she asked the Bishop of Rome, asked the Pope to convert her home into a church. And it's since the time of the Renaissance, many centuries later, she is usually portrayed with either a viola or a small organ. And so the image that you see on the screen today is the image of an organ. The reason why she is portrayed that way is because Cecilia is the patron saint of music and musicians. And so it's easy to say, it's clear to say that Cecilia's life was a song dedicated to God, dedicated to Christ. And so she has become a symbol of something that the church holds dear today, and that is that good music is an integral, a necessary, a very important part of our Catholic liturgy. It has been said that to sing is to pray twice. And so, because of the quality of the music here at St. Nicholas Parish, the quality of our music, the quality of our singing, we're able to give honor to God and celebrate as a community our faith in Christ, not only in words, but also in song. Thank you. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you have a great weekend as well.